Aakyat tayo sa bundok ngayon. Tingnan natin yung aakyatin nating bundok. Yan, akyat tayo dyan. Puntahan natin yung bundok na yan. That's that Scuba Mountain. Ayan, kita niyo yung likod. That's that Scuba Mountain.
Sunlight going
Hi guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Mount Scuba Plum.
What?
Mumulaklak na daw kasi dito yung okay, nandito tayo. So, try natin siyang kuhanan ng video at gawan natin siya ng YouTube video. Let's go, guys!
Just one. I read a little more of yesterday's book.
So, ayan nga guys, nandito na tayo pero hindi pa ganun ka namumulaklak lahat. Pabulaklak pa lang. So, hindi pa siya perfect timing para sa mga bulaklak ng plum. Pag sabay-sabay sana silang namulaklak, ang ganda sana tingnan. Puro na naman puti ang nakikita natin sa paligid natin. Since hindi pa kasi namumulaklak lahat. Yan pa lang siya. Look at them.
Mornings like this are my support. I won't miss the little joys, no. The day begins, my precious
Ito,
time.
pink siya.
Sunlight wraps around the room.
Sayang, hindi pa siya lahat nag-bloom.
A bite of toast with butter melting. This is my peaceful morning time. Busy days to come now and then. The mornings like this are my support. I won't miss the little joys, no. The day begins, my precious time. Sunlight pouring through the window. The smell of coffee fills the air. A slow moment in the morning light.
That's all for today's video. We'll see you in my next vlog. Uwi na po kami. Kaya hindi pa nag-bloom lahat ng flowers. So hindi masyadong maganda tingnan. Pero may mga lugar na ganito dito sa Japan na kung gusto mong makita ng bundok ng bulaklak. Ayan, punta kayo dito sa Tsukuba, Ibaraki. Prefecture ng Ibaraki. So, that's all for today's video and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!